In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate free video from Leonardo AI Mobile. If you want to make a video without paying, Leonardo AI gives basic accounts 150 free tokens, and those tokens refresh every 24 hours. That means you can come back each day and generate again. Since token usage can vary depending on the model and settings you choose, it's a good idea to be mindful of costs so you can get the most out of your free allowance. Start by opening the Leonardo AI app on your mobile device. Once you're inside the app, tap on Generate to begin. From here, look at the top of the screen and check which generation mode is currently selected. If your app is set to image generation, tap Image Gen at the top and switch as needed. If it's already on video generation, you can simply leave it as it is and continue. Next, tap on the model selection area. This is where you'll choose the model you want to use. Since the goal here is to create a free video using your daily tokens, pick a model with a lower token cost. That helps you stay within your free limit and gives you more flexibility for additional generations. After that, decide how you want to create your video. You can add a reference image by tapping the Add button in the prompt area, which is useful if you want the video to be based on a specific visual. If you don't want to use an image, you can just work with a text prompt instead. Now, tap the settings icon to customize your generation. Choose the quality, set the image dimensions, and select the number of generations you want. Keep in mind that higher quality or multiple generations may use more tokens. When you're done adjusting those options, tap Done. Then type your prompt clearly so the app understands what kind of video you want to create. Once everything looks good, tap Generate and let Leonardo AI create your video.